Well, as I spoke a bit earlier, we're very proud that Isle of MTV Malta is now one of the longest running MTV events around the world. We've worked very hard, both on our side and in partnership with the Malta Tourism Authority, to really drive the success and longevity of the event. I think what it means is that it is the event that is testament to the event's success and popularity, both on the ground but also in terms of the larger franchise of the event. So, we have 50,000 people here tomorrow night, but we also tell that Isle of MTV Malta story across all of our platforms. 10 years ago, predominantly our TV broadcast platform. 10 years on, we're now looking at not just our own digital owned platforms, but also all of our strategic social partnership platforms, from Snapchat to Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And I think what that means is that it's a great event and it's great content that people want to engage with and enjoy. And for the first time tomorrow, the fact that those that can't be here tomorrow night can enjoy it live in real time from wherever they are is a great innovation, both for the event and for the fans around the world.
So it will be shown on MTV channels and also on Facebook?
It will be streamed live on MTV sites and on our Facebook profiles live tomorrow night. There will also be a Snapchat live story tomorrow night, so that those will be the live real-time components.
And how many people do follow your Facebook links maybe?
So we have, across Facebook and our Twitter profiles, internationally about 25 million social fans. So there's a significant fan base and universe there, and that's obviously great exposure for Isle of MTV, of course the island as well.